So one of the summers I was here, there was a camper named Peter, and he was not my camper, but during counselor prayer time, we kind of talk about our campers and we pray for them. And so I'd been seeing him all week, and hearing from his counselor and just his story and his abuse, and he had a hard time forgiving himself for not leaving his parents. And eventually he did leave his parents to get away from the situation he was in for his safety, and all through the week you could see him struggling and wrestling with the idea of God allowing him to forgive him, to forgive his parents, himself. It was finally at Pinecone ceremony where Peter was able to give it all to God. I just remember looking over at him and seeing him with his hands raised straight to the sky and to God, and just him weeping and crying. And you could tell just by looking at him and by the way he was singing to God that he was able to give all his burdens, all the hurt, the pain, the unforgiveness that he was holding on to his heart. He just gave it to God and released it, and it was just one of the most amazing and precious things I had seen, because you could tell how hard it was for him. And so to see that at Pinecone ceremony was amazing.